Welcome to OCT24, your gateway to automated AI trading. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create your account in just a few simple steps. First, go to the OCT24 website and click on Create Account. You'll now see the registration form. Start by entering your email address. Make sure it's an active email, as you may need it for verification and account access. Next, create a secure password. We recommend using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account safe. Then, enter your password again in the Confirm Password field to make sure everything matches correctly. Once all fields are completed, click on the Continue button. After creating your account, you'll be taken to the next step, completing your profile. Start by typing your first name in the first field, then enter your last name in the next field. Next, add your phone number. If you have a referral code, you can enter it in the referral field. Once everything is filled out, click on the Create Account button. Your account setup is now complete,